If you've ever tried to find the one document in your operating system that you need right now, then you know how frustrating the experience really is. What was supposed to take seconds can turn into hours as you click through never-ending lists of files. And if you've got thousands of folders or multiple drives, well, happy hunting. You need a better way. You need Stagsi. Now, you can organize all of your files quickly and easily using the Stagsi Smart Tag system. Photos, videos, songs, text documents, emails, website bookmarks, coding projects, the sky's the limit. The Stagsi Tag Manager window allows you to create, manage, and search through a collection of keywords in an intuitively designed tree-style view. Select as many or as little files as you want and instantly associate them to keywords, all at the click of a checkbox. Take your Stagsi experience a step further. The Tag Deck system is another powerful feature that will save you precious time by assigning tags to deck slot hotkeys. Now, with a single keystroke, you can assign a complex array of tags to your entire selection. Have a set of tag decks you use often? Save them into a custom thematic set for easy reuse. When it's time to find your files, the search bar lets you use standard query language calls for everything, from the easiest to even the most demanding of complex searches. What makes the Stagsi file browser shine is its ability to add custom thumbnails to any file type. Never again will you spend time opening file after file, hoping the next one is the one you've been looking for. And if you're dealing with popular formats such as GIFs, hovering your mouse is all you need to do to preview the animation. All this, and we've only just scratched the surface. An arsenal of useful tools is included in the Stagsi experience, ready to help revolutionize the way you stay organized so that you can get your work done faster. And best of all, it's all provided to you for free for non-commercial use.